Shalom, beloved. It's a beautiful day. As I was walking, I heard this old phrase, birds of a feather flock together. You are who you run with. Who are you running with today? Who's supporting you, encouraging you, or believing in you? Are you surrounded by people who have your back? Or are you surrounded with people that are discouraging, disempowering, disheartening you? We are the sum of the 5 people that we spend the most time with. Take some time today to meditate on whether or not the birds that you're flocking with are supporting you. And if they're not, ask for the grace, the strength and courage to let them go. Selah.